Hi everyone, this is our project Content Flow AI. It's an AI powered pipeline that takes a simple idea and transforms it into a simple multi-format content campaign. The process starts with just one input. We enter a topic, for example, AI in healthcare, then specify the audience we want to reach and formats we want, such as blogs, LinkedIn posts, podcasts, or videos. With a single click on Start Pipeline, the system takes over. The first stage is research, which acts as a foundation for everything else. Here, the system automatically gathers insights from industry reports, trending discussions, and competitor strategies. It even checks platforms like YouTube and social media to understand which content formats are performing best. Rather than giving us raw, unstructured data, the system produces a clean research summary. This summary highlights trending subtopics, audience interests, keyword opportunities, and even gaps where competitors are not creating enough content. It's essentially a ready to use research report generated in one step. What makes this powerful is that output from this step is not static. It's it directly powers the next stage, the content planner. The planner uses those insights to automatically generate an editorial calendar. Each entry in the calendar is based on research findings. For instance, if the research reveals that AI assisted medical diagnosis is trending, the planner will create blogs, podcast script, and video ideas specifically tailored to that theme. From there, the system can keep building forward. Research feeds into planning feeds into content creation, and so on. Each stage leverages the result of the previous one, making the workflow smooth and intelligent. This ensures that every piece of content isn't just generated at random, but is backed by data and strategically aligned with the audience's interest. In short, Content Flow AI doesn't just generate content, it creates a connected pipeline where research informs planning and planning drives creation, resulting in campaigns that are both creative and data driven.
Imagine a healthcare system where diagnoses are not just faster but more accurate, where treatments are precisely tailored to an individual's genetic makeup, where hospital operations run with unprecedented efficiency, freeing up vital resources for patient care. This isn't a distant sci-fi fantasy, it's the rapidly unfolding reality of artificial intelligence in healthcare. From patient records and imaging scans to genomic sequences and research literature, AI identifies patterns, predicts outcomes, and assists decision-making. It augments human expertise across the healthcare spectrum, supporting clinicians, researchers, and administrators alike. Medicine and operations. One of AI can be of human and our role in healthcare. How do you see it? Please like, share, and subscribe for more on the future of medicine. Thank you for watching.